Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft 365 for managing client workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the pricing section in the top menu. Click on pricing to view the different subscription plans available. Review the various plans to determine which one best suits your needs. For most workflow management needs, consider the business plans. Once you've selected your preferred plan, click on the Buy Now button associated with that plan. You will be directed to a page where you can customize your purchase. Next, choose the number of licenses required for your team. After making your selection, click on Next to proceed. You will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill in the required information to set up a new account. Once your account is created or if you signed in, continue to the Payments section. Enter your payment details and billing information as required. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, click on Place Order to complete your subscription. After your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email from Microsoft. Follow any further instructions provided in the email to activate your subscription. Now, sign in to the Microsoft 365 dashboard using your credentials. From the dashboard, explore the various tools and applications available to manage client workflows. Familiarize yourself with Microsoft Teams, Planner, and OneDrive for optimal workflow management. Start creating new projects and collaborating with your clients using the tools provided. Utilize the help resources available on the Microsoft website for any questions or assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.